Hi everyone, welcome back to another Music Masterpieces. And do you know what? It's always really, really good when there's a new track that comes out and surprises me, or just makes my ears prick up when I'm going through songs, just browsing through them and trying different things. This is a band called Exploring Birdsong, and whether you've heard or not heard of them before, let's get into this. This is a very exciting group that I am thinking to see if I can get some tickets to see these guys. They look really, really good. This is a song of their Every House We Built album, and this is a track called Footprints. It's a lovely intro, isn't it?
Our life begins remembering the stairs, a memory someone shares.
Great vocal, lovely vocal.
The family home, it's all been rearranged. Something here has changed.
I'm a sucker for that piano as usual.
Others with their looks of pity, no more than you.
Nice.
Carrying a burden of grief, yet shying away. I never saw the forest for the flame. Echoing a memory with nothing new they can say. Smile that I don't know, although I share it so.
Feels like a sort of standard pop song at this moment, but so much in this.
The things she left behind, an answer I won't find.
Vocals are really important. Synth in the background. Excellent production. Oh, it's really powerful. Lovely. Oh, wow. Let's just take that back a little bit and do that part again. So as I said, it's kind of like this track that's just moving along at a nice pace, and then this beautiful harmony, this stunning little section that lifts the song to masterpiece level. Here we go. And that intro returns. has some inspiration here from a certain group that's masked, but it works so well. It's so well done. Lovely. Yeah, that's really good. That piano's almost like it's being played in a church or something. Just that lovely bass that's in it at the end of the song there. And that's it. Footprints by Exploring Birdsong. And I don't really have much more to say than that. I just love tracks that suddenly come up, and I kind of listened to this album probably about 3 or 4 times, and then I was doing some work and I thought I'll just put it on again. And I was waiting for something to happen on the PC, and then all of a sudden this track played again, and I went, what's that section about midway through? That's amazing. That's really, really good. And I think it's a hidden gem. And there's some other hidden gems on this album as well. So get into it, go and have a listen yourself, have a think about whether it's an album that you've embraced. And tell me what you think in the comments. Love to hear them. Thanks for enjoying it with me. I'll see you around on the next video, coming very soon.